If you're into importation or you're running a business in Nigeria, buying directly from factories on 1688 China wholesale platform is the best decision you can make for your business. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of buying directly from factories on 1688 app. My name is Blessing and I'm talking to you from the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And on this channel, we go in depth on importation, money making, and personal development. So you want to stick with me on this channel as we're going to be learning a whole lot from one another. So subscribe on this channel and please like the video. Now, I have listed some of the benefits we're going to enjoy when buying directly from factories on 1688. Now, if you look at my screen, you see that I've highlighted factory. Okay, I've highlighted factory. Okay, that's factory. So everything on this interface deals with factory. Everything you're going to be doing on this very interface we are on will have to be dealing with factory. Anything you click on is on factory. Okay. Now if you click up, all of these that you're looking at, all of these you're seeing here, they are all on factories. So if you want to buy from any of them, you click on them, do your due diligence and go ahead and buy. So we are basically looking at how to the benefits of buying from these very factories on 1688. Okay, I've done a video on how to find out which is a factory and which is a manufacturer on this very channel. So you can go look at my other videos, you will get them. So let's get right into it. And the very first thing you're going to enjoy from buying from a directly from a factory is very cheap prices. Okay, you have access to cheap prices because you're buying directly from the manufacturers. So you have successfully cut off the middlemen who would have made it more expensive. Middlemen are the suppliers or the drop shippers who go and buy from these factories and come to resell to you, adding their own, gain, which will also make it more expensive. So when you cut all of these middlemen, you deal directly with the manufacturer, which is a factory. You are able to buy these products at a very cheap price. And the second is access to original products. Yes. So there is no guesswork here. There's nothing like, am I even sure what I'm buying? No, as long as you're buying directly from a factory, you know that it is original products, right? Because you are buying directly from the source. Now, the third one is you have access to customization. Yes, you have the access to customization to customize your product under this very section or option. You have the option of OEM and ODM. Now we have OEM. OEM means original equipment manufacturer, whereby a factory produces a particular item or product based on your design, your logo, and brand name from scratch, which makes it entirely your brand. Okay, this one involves huge capital and it involves big brands. So they are the ones that usually go in for this OEM. Now the second one is ODM, which means original design manufacturer. This is where the factory already has an existing product. Okay, they have a product of their own design. So all you have to do is to customize it with your own logo to make it partially yours. It's just to add one or two on an already existing product to make it your own partially. Now let's proceed. We have digressed a little. Now the fourth benefit of buying from a factory is that you will be exposed to a variety of products ranging from fashion wigs, electronics, you know, products that are produced ranging from fashion wigs, electronics, home appliances, industrial goods, and trending products. All of this you will have access to. You'll be exposed to lots of goods. The fifth one is that we have early access to trending products. Yes, you have access to products that are just produced. So this gives you an edge over others because you're dealing with the factories. Maybe you have made friends with these manufacturers. They'll be able to tell you when goods, or you even be able to see because you now follow them. You're their friends, so you'll be able to see when they are producing or when they are launching new products. So you'll be able to key in on time and begin to even sell before others will know about it. So these are one of the benefits. Now the sixth benefit is that you are able to negotiate with your manufacturers, where you can negotiate price with the manufacturer and they can even reduce the MOQ of that particular item you're buying, making things very easy for you. As long as you're dealing with manufacturers, they will be able to negotiate price with you. That you'll be able to negotiate price with them. They'll bring the price down for you. They will even give you discounts on top. They will even reduce MOQ if need be. So there are lots of benefits. The seventh one is that you have access to buying in bulk, larger quantities that can even fit containers, right? So you have the access to buy in larger quantity and with good discounts. The eighth one is that you have better profit margin. Yes, since you bought at a lower price from this factory, you have a better chance of selling at a lower price to your customers and more higher profit and make more higher profits because you have bought lower from this factory. So you have all it takes. You can sell at any price you want. You will not be scared. You are secured. You are in control of what you're doing because you bought at a very good price. And so you'll be able to give out that price to your customers at a very good price as well while making your profits. The ninth one is the ability to test products cheaply. So you have the supplier can sell small quantity orders for you to go and try out. Maybe it's a new product that just came out. They're not too sure how the market will take it, how the product is going to be. Yes, these factories can sell in smaller quantities if you have made them your friends, or you can even chat them up and tell them, this is what I want to do. But since this product is new, can I get a little of it, little quantity to just to test it out, sample the product to see how it's going to be in the market. Of course, they will sell to you. So when you are able to buy in small quantity like that and you are able to test the market to see if this product is good, it helps you to save costs. When you buy small like that and check and you see that the market is not very good in the market, people don't really like it, then it will help you not to buy in bulk. It will help you not to go and spend money and buy this product, bring them in, and they not sit between your sitting room and be looking at you. Okay. So it saves you a whole lot. You have the ability to test products cheaply. So these are some of the things that will you benefit from buying from a factory. Okay, so that is why when you are on CC88, do yourself some good. Check which are the factories that are, because there are factories on CC88, yes, but there are lots of there are lots of suppliers, there are lots of drop shippers who pose as factory owners. So you need to do your checks and be very sure that you're buying from factories. But that is the only way you're going to get these benefits. All right. So there you have it. Thank you so very much. So stick around with us. Please subscribe and like this video so that others can also have access to this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.